Hi everyone, I'm Noah.
And I'm Abby.
And today we're at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter at Universal Studios Hollywood. Hollywood, and we just rode the Harry Potter ride. Did you enjoy that?
Oh yeah, it was lovely.
Uh-huh.
What was the name of the other one?
The Flight of the Hippogriff.
Yeah.
Yes.
It was more like a little takeoff.
Uh-huh.
Like a little hop.
Uh-huh. And we're going to be walking around today and seeing everything that Universal Studios has to offer.
That much has always been clear. What's less clear is why. So we press on.
No.
Everybody grab your thunder buddy because we get some rain. Take cover. I was playing a trick on you back there. The rain is coming from a set of sprinklers above the dam. The flooding is the result of thousands of gallons of recycled water coming from tanks at the top of the hill. Well, that's one of our little California tremblers. Don't worry, we get them all the time. Maybe not so little. Hang on, this could be the big one. On the left, the street's caving in. On the right, look out.